Hello, I am going to demonstrate how to use a demo student on D2L Brightspace. Um, I was not able to actually figure out how to set one up because it always gives me the option to choose from existing users, and I could not find a demo student in there. But there is one already set up whenever the shell came in. But what you're going to do is you're just going to click this right arrow. I'm up here in the corner, right arrow next to demo user, and hit create account. Will pop up where you normally would add students. It would be the same thing if you would add a participant, existing users, find your demo student. One is down here for me, so after I added it, it would pop up down here. In order to impersonate this demo student, all you're going to do is you are going to click on the arrow and choose impersonate, and it's gonna ask me if I want to continue, and I say yes. It's gonna bring me to the demo student's web or home page. You can see right up here in the right hand corner it says demo student. What I'm going to do with this demo student is I'm going to just type a real quick discussion post. I'm going to go into week 1, so there's a couple different ways. I'm actually going to go ahead and go to discussions. And you can see I'm going to be group 1 is where my demo student is going to post. So I'm just going to click on group 1 here. And it tells me this would be in a normal discussion, it would be a real long, instructions and everything. But it just says for the first one to introduce yourself. So I'm going to start a new thread. I'll put week 1. Title it, I'm going to put, hello, I am the demo student. Okay. And then you just click the post. It'll pop up right here. You can see. So the post for the demo student is there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get out of the demo student. I'm going to go back into the instructor mode. So all you do is you just right click the arrow next to demo student. You're going to click the X, and it will bring you back to the instructor page, and I am here. So I'm going to go and I'm going to try to grade that that discussion board. So I'm going to go into grades. I'm going to go into enter grades instead of manage grades. And you can see I have a little call outs right here next to my demo student. You can see my demo student's discussion board. That means they have posted. So I'm going to click on that. It'll take a minute here. But what I can do here is I can read the demo student's discussion board. I can hit save and close. I've read it. I can now give them a grade. I'm going to actually switch to spreadsheet because I think it's easier in spreadsheet mode, so that I can just boom give them their 5 points or 10 points or whatever it is, and then just hit save. You can also access the community or the discussion board a little differently. You can actually go into discussions. You should be able to right click this right next to, so if say you want to go in and you want to grade all of group 1, you're just going to right click or click the arrow on the to the right of group 1 and go down to assess topic. This is how I usually grade things, just because it's a little bit easier, because I like to be on spreadsheet mode in the grade book. This, however, doesn't tell you who's turned them in, so it doesn't tell you, give you anything that says, yes, they've turned it in. So you just basically just go the topic score for each of them. It'll pop up their discussion board. You can read it. You've got it there. You can click 10 points up here, give them their points, hit save and close. Once you have them all scored, you can go and you just write, if you just click this little box next to the grade, hit publish to grades, it'll go straight into the grade book, so you don't have to put it in there yourself. So that's nice. So you just click the box, hit save and close. I think actually in the grade book I had 5 points, so your points should match up obviously. And then you can see it'll go in to your grade book. Well, mine says 5 here, but it would go in, it would say 10 10 10 all the way down. So that is how you grade a discussion board. Thank you.